Okay, y'all, it's Gardening Chronicles. It's Price mixing it up. I want to give you an update on what's going on in the garden today. Was able to get out here and plant some petunias. Okay, that's the petunias. And want to get a little color going. These are the collards that were here. I have 2 Georgia collards still. We got some spearmint going. We just planted Bonnie green bell peppers right there. Another collard, little spearmint. Here's the lavender. We got 3 different tomato brands or varieties here, and got a jade garden going in the back. And then we got the glorious spearmint. This is Price mixing it up. Come on, stay tuned. See what Gardening Chronicles has to offer. Woot woot. This is Price mixing it up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. Whew. Okay, we're peeling up stuff. All right. Handy gardener out here today. Pulling up and planting down. What else? Let's see, these jades. Well, let's wait on the jade. Oh, the weed, huh? Got that emptied. Got those emptied. Oh, that's a weed right there too, by the pepper plant. Some weeds be trying to look like they vegetables. That's a weed. Is that greens? Oh, it might be greens, huh? Oh, shocking. New collard baby in the house. Okay, you can stay.
Take that stump out.
That's just growing off of that one. Okay. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. You want to do this one? Okay. Okay. Let's see.
So this is the green or something?
That's the greens, yeah, so we got room for that. Dig a nice little something hole for this one. Going the easy way, y'all, this time. Okay, nothing from seeds. It's already ready. It's ready to go. I don't have my tripod. I'm holding the camera, y'all. Okay, look, that was easy, simple, huh? You don't even have to read no book on this. I got some little sticks in the garage. I don't need a little stick. The wind come through here, it'll knock this thing down. Bonnie green bell. That's what these are. I had to take my gardening glove off, but I got my little arthritic glove on. The hands don't work too well. All right, well, it feels good to be out here gardening, y'all. It's Price mixing it up. Stay with us. It's the lavender. Price mixing it up. This looks so cute. I gotta get some more lights. Maybe some little ones. But this is all greenery right here, y'all. Green bell pepper, spearmint, and collard greens. There's a new baby collard. And we ate from those greens last week. They were so good. Yes, they were. I got 2 Georgia collards going right there. And one right here. Georgia collards. Ooh. Oh, it's upside down. So this is the, I didn't even pay attention to that. The black cherry hybrid cherry tomato. So hopefully the birds don't eat them before they're picked. Are these the same? That's a husky. What's this one? Big boy. The big boy better go over here. 3 different variety of tomatoes. So that's deep enough. That's too deep. That's too deep. Let's see. I don't want it to drown. Yeah. Alright. Back, huh? Gardening is hard on your back, y'all. Your knees and everything, but it's good for you. Let's see. This one is the Husky Red Cherry tomato. Let's pat that down a little bit. Ooh. Trying to do one-handed gardening here today. Okay, teamwork, y'all. Were you able to get me out here with some teamwork? Yeah. Couldn't do this by myself. Thanks to the hubby, he got out here today, y'all. Oh, shocking. Can I get a whoop whoop? He got a whoop whoop. Let's see if he's smiling. He be cheesing. That was too close up. Too close up. The next one is the big boy hybrid. So I'm gonna put it on the corner because it might grow up. That's deep. That's deep enough. Deep enough. Dig a little deeper. Right there. Okay, we're looking good, y'all. I just grabbed that off the ground, stuck it in there because it fell off the mama over there. I think eventually that's what's gonna happen. All right, that's the big boy hybrid. Can I get a whoop whoop?